Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're going to learn to play Bon Jovi, Living on a Prayer. Let's do it. So we're going to learn that part one here. If you see my whiteboard here, I got all these letters on here. I don't use traditional music notation. For some people, that is a roadblock. It's a great skill to have, but some people need a different way to learn. So this is reading music. It's just a different method to where you use your ear first, and the music here is a guide on the sheets instead of the other way around. So it might work for you if you've had trouble reading music, but you feel like you love music and you really want to play and you feel like you have some talent. Give it a try. That's a formula, it seems, for a lot of people that it works for. So we're going to have E on the left hand. Whenever I put, one letter, you can always do the octave and then put the fifth in the middle. So E, B, E if you want to do that, okay? And then we go to C, G, C, and then we can go to D, A, D here, okay? All right, so the right hand, dun, dun, dun. You know how the song, wah, 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 but so I think this is a good. Oh, I didn't tell you what I'm going from. This is a hard request, and I'm going from Janelle Garcia's piano cover of this, Living on a Prayer. Look it up on YouTube. It's got a few million views, and it's a really good arrangement of this for a piano. So D, B, E, B, D, D, D. That's the pattern. Da, 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 da. Left hand's on an E, so we have. And then we just continue with the E. So my left hand, I can put notes here and there if I want. Now, the person on the recording doesn't do a whole lot on the left hand, I think that's to stay out of the way of the singer, but I think it's okay to add a little bit more. Now we're going to go to C octave, and then we're going to continue the same pattern. D, B, E, B, D, D. But it only does it one measure. This one went twice, so. And then we go to D, and then we have B, D, B, E, B, G, B, E. So B's every other note. D, E, G, E. Okay? And you do that 2 times. See the bracketed 2 there? So here's the second time. And I would have gone on if that was the second time. So there we go. Hope you guys enjoyed that lesson. See you on WebPianoTeacher.com, where you can download the sheets for this and learn thousands of other lessons that I've done over the past 17 years on YouTube. Talk to you later.